Hey guys, and welcome. And today I am right now standing in front of one of the smaller pools over at the Caribbean Beach Club. Now I was just up on top of the Skyline ride heading over. You see the shadow right there, and I happen to notice that some of these smaller pools over here at the Caribbean are totally empty with people. You got one or two people, so I figured this is an awesome opportunity to get out here, get this shot up for you guys. I get a lot of people that are requesting all these small pool guys. If you got a request, leave it for us in the comments. We'll try to get out there and shoot it. But everyone likes to see what these smaller pools look like in case they're in this area, I guess, or they're coming in and they want to see where they're staying, what the pool looks like. Now this one is directly across from the main pool, and over here you can see the Riviera. So this is a smaller pool in this section here. It's not really big, but it is an option if you guys are looking to get away from that bigger pool. You can tell where you are just by the colors of the buildings. You've got the pinkish buildings, the green rooftops. You do got another section where you've got the yellow buildings, but this is the one that's all the way down near the Riviera and stuff like that. Now you guys still, if you're staying over here, you're still able to go to the big main pool right across the waterway there, directly in front of us. But if you guys want to come here, you can come here. This is still the same as just about every small pool on property. They go from 3 foot to about 5 foot deep. Most of them are a little bit less deep because they don't have the lifeguards on them, and are kind of made for either the adult or the smaller kids and stuff like that. You guys do got the a benefit if you guys are staying here to look up and see the Skyliner going over right there, and that's once again how I found that this one was empty today. But if you guys are here and you like to see the Skyliner going right up over top, this is actually a really good choice of pools for you. But if not, you can walk around over to the Riviera, keep walking around to the Caribbean, go to the main pool. But this is one of your options over at the Caribbean Beach. We'll see you guys in the next one.